Meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist back with us now and looking at some of these storm reports. We've seen extensive damage, Mary Kay.
Right, and it will be interesting once we have daybreak tomorrow, heartbreaking perhaps, to see some of the damaging winds. But so far, multiple storm reports from the National Weather Service. The highest wind gust, 75 miles per hour in Valparaiso. They will definitely be out in the Belvedere area here in the next day doing an evaluation to determine what caused that damage. Right now, all the rain and thunderstorm activity is moving through Indiana and through Michigan out of the Chicago area, but the parent low pressure center is still going to pull in some cold winds for us. In fact, we are tracking a wind advisory tomorrow for winds to 50 miles per hour. Add to that rain and snow showers. That's for everybody around the region. Those winds will start out of the southwest, then a reinforcing shot of cold air will bring a northwest wind. Here are the afternoon wind plots, 40 to 43 miles per hour. Futurecast is showing we're dry overnight with the dry slot, but in the morning, yes, snow showers will be around. Temperatures will be struggling throughout the day, and then finally we dry out Saturday night. We do redeem ourselves on Sunday. Sunday we will have some sunshine in the morning, 30 degrees to start, and then in the afternoon move that reading through the upper 50s. So a wind advisory for your Saturday. Oh, rain and snow showers. Then we clear out for Sunday, and the 7-day forecast is showing how the weekend is half sloppy and windy and half sunny. Sox could see a few showers in the afternoon, but we go back to the 60s early next week. We'll be right back.